And good morning. It's the 27th of September. I want to wish a special happy birthday to my mom, Claudia Cave. We're passing the old boat works here at Hartshill, and they say this is a good example of blue brick work. And I'll span around here. You can kind of see the edge of that building and that bridge there, mostly very, very dark charcoal looking. But this is the old boat works and wharf here at Hartshill. It's currently owned by the CRT, and they use some of it. We think it'd be a great destination, although there's not a lot of parking for boats. So, cafe, store, museum, all the good stuff, right, lady?
Exactly.
Lady, what's our plan for this morning?
We're gonna motor up to Atherstone, where there are facilities and restaurants and a laundry, most importantly, because I'm out of everything but underwear. I've got one pair of underwear and one pair of shorts left.
Oh yeah, that's right. Maybe even some Indian food tonight. I'm excited.
Right here.
Okay, we're heading into Atherstone. We're gonna be at the top of the locks. I'm gonna go down and check and see if there's space to more down below. Otherwise, we stay right here. Shopping today, Atherstone. We just finished a great breakfast. It was like, what, 6 pounds?
Yep, for full English.
I had 2 cappuccinos. I double indulged. It was good though.